say wazama wa je ni ekoya le program na ekono.
Entiano Kwadwo Nkasah Lilwin, Wizzy Empire, or Shoki we are seeing after say millions of people pull it up for the movie premiere. Will come as SG more. The movie will acquire no day or be premiere. Onya many attack. Everyone will go say, oh, Emma, so any lumba candlelight video no akushia. It's an Emma, so but no. So it is a catch. Kwadwo Nkasah. In fact, come as for the children or doctors here and no. Even the home come. I Penyah Block Media. Mess was any demo. Obe like if you did not down subscribe button and snap click the notification icon for latest updates. Now better the word on their mama. I will comment. She must pass over so. No she video for so any be ashe. Edu ni na ya adwen say Kwadwo Nkasah movie. Captain Ibrahim Traore. In fact, Kwadwo afa ma name pa movie no oye wieye wa fa ma name because movie kura e koso kura na. Me won say na man focus almost stopping cancer because I say story na cancer di betwa movie no as all di be dia grow at a serious matter and the anhwe ya e betima ma for the crowd between Africa force Ghana force say promote coup d'etat nya they just say Nkasah from movie the beginning to the end of our money musa we na fiaka promotion na promotion no ana we abeje trend na boss agada abeje trend ni boss bigger quiz abeje trend ni boss oh ha na we di bibia bebom na attention na divert from Kwadwo Nkasah movie no na ekọ ha no mo but na kan so ani abre promote movie no be kaya official date ni say anyame adoma ye on the 2nd of August 2025 and obe premiere movie no e will come as SG more Emma eba ye no unfortunately for him that number so to ananom e won se do Emma on that 2nd August 2025 na eye Kwadwo Nkasah movie night premiere no and was no that the number 1 week celebration is the share so and the candle night e share so na be say and ye ebe ye Kwadwo Nkasah be ne dey free say that the number there e see na do e do no na Kwadwo Nkasah movie 19 na ebe yili o Ghana for be ye ne dey obia so don Nkasah obia so do that dolumba ozo obia so kire ne do e man kofu mi nyina it na afi abeya asem e ma even crowd there Kwadwo Nkasah ebe kana ko sem se buzianfo na anya ade o man try
hey adofo enemi wura ko enemi da me wura ko da nyame fa that number crazy me kusofonya yako nempelufo a etrasese cutting length there is a 2nd August must any akra sample for it one thing you be that hey send university here it will be yesu month manya butempa am yanchen am visit the good date abua na nyame matma physical length at the best 2nd August, I made a movie. Captain Ibrahim Traore, the last African hero. As a woman for a year, sampling for a year, sap, and say, with him one day. I've done a flyer when they share Saturday to know. 2nd August, our ministry racing in our enemy 2nd of Union says 2nd August, and I need to Captain Ibrahim Traore. I mean, your fruits. I can't my war. I got my ball. Almost $1 million both moving in promotion. Number what I trust. Office date 2nd August. Lumba Cadenet. Hey, Ghana. I need you from. Hey, I need you from. Promotion from there. Hey, sample what I say. Miss Samman. Hey, the Miami. Hey, move back up, my bread. I got that some player do here. Thomas Patasam, Kudus Assam. Hey, what's it? Hey, anyway, let me say somebody for a Saturday to cabinet tetro. When I'm in Nkasah. Now, me, element transit, there will be a piano. When I'm going to hey, cabinet. 2nd August.
I'm a carry crown. Prisi 1 ebe ke bi tire Kwadwo Nkasah.
Kwadwo Nkasah Lilwin. O feel say Ghana you're their own. No, you feel like the world revolves around you, isn't it? I didn't say no. What kind of nonsense is that? That delumba mu ato from near the candle night akwose 2nd of August that was today. O samai or mo share sad date no samai o mo nyame na. Oh, that day your movie premiere and I did. Are you is everything okay with you? What is wrong with you? No, do you even understand the person that we've lost? Do you understand his impact? No, do you even understand? Do you know the gravity of his death at all? Do you even know that? Did you even consider like that? Lilwin, somebody will put you in your place one day. What is wrong with you? That Lumba. Oh no, plan I see ye team credit. I declare one holiday be cramano. Una wo say wo movie premiere. Listen, I don't want to rubbish your hard work because I know you put a lot in that. A lot has gone into that. Into my person rubbish, you know. But you don't also rubbish somebody's that Lumba moi. I didn't know Sano. What for red Anna? Is everything okay upstairs? I didn't know Sano. Watch this.
You know better that number crazy. No, the Penyah Yako. Young Penyah. And said, cutting length. The research cannot guess. Must and your cry. Some Penyah one thing. You would be done. Hey, send me this here. It would be a wood, yes. Much my number 10 pounds. I'm young. I'm facing the good get of work. Then I mean, much more physical. At the night, at the best, cannot guess. I made Penyah movie. Captain Ibrahim Traore, the last African, as a woman for you. Something for a year, sir, and say, with him one day. I don't fire when the share Sunday, you know. Second August, I'm winning the racing now, and him second of one, second August. And I need the Captain Ibrahim Traore. I mean, your fruits. I can't my ball. Almost $1 million both moving in promotion. Number what I trust. Office dates. Second August. Lumba Cadenet. Hey, Ghana. Energy from. Hey, energy from. Promotion from there. Hey, some of what I say. Miss Amman.
Can't be turned train a boss media on the TikTok. No mood, Kwadwo Nkasah Lilwin. As a selfish man. I didn't do Lumba with 2 patches. Who moving into my young Lumba 1 week and I said the Kwadwo Nkasah all your selfish. So we send you ya and can say that because I say I'm on for cancer air class. And the annual corona said the number 1 week celebration air cost. Now Kwadwo Nkasah so any crew at testimony to Kumasi Montana. So I said towards the movie night no premiere night no. Almost echo a homework. Captain Ibrahim Traore movie work. Annual and per day time room come work na work on na air crab.
Watch out,
na nyumre no ana the number 1 week of relation air course na no be say cancer any betutu aka nsem but in fact no kumade for na kire say omudowa na omudo about millions of people pull it up Kwadwo Nkasah movie Captain Ibrahim Traore no the Premier night no ase.
Now, first of all, you ask the first time you heard
Nice wazama wa ojeni okoya Lilwin program na ekono sasa abonti poni o guys abonti poni very side version movie edom so say what as Lilwin movie Ibrahim Traore already movie ya GT what as
airport.
Ubet ma chere wadwene amame e comment section atamfo eniyewu in fact umaru person kan cancer boka no anya amane sa wada se wo anya aboka chere wadwene mame e comment section ayi Penyah Media Accra.